All right, guys, so right here we have the Note 10 Plus, and this is going to be a quick video on the unboxing so we can see all the things that are inside this box. Now, I know this phone came out a couple months ago. I just got my hands on it, so I'm going to go ahead and do this video now. Simple, quick. Now, I got the Aura White 256 gigs. Now, when I went to the store to go ahead and pick this phone up, I saw the glow. Quite personally, I wasn't a fan of the glow just because of the smudges and marks it would leave on the phone. I didn't even know they had a white, but I fell in love with it once I picked it up. Now let's go ahead and see this thing right here really quick. Now here we have the phone itself, and then here we see that white I was talking about. Let's put that to the side. All right, let's see what else we have here. Okay, we actually have something right here. Who would have missed that? It's a little Samsung book. Here we have the SD card remover for the SIM tray. Boom, super useful. Personally, I just use, I don't know, a paper clip. Barely use that. What do we have in here? Hold on. Okay. Yeah, just a bunch of little books. This device is packaged with a screen protector. That's pretty cool. So I'm assuming it already comes with a screen protector. Pretty sure it's not the best one. Start guide, how to set it up, how to transfer information. You guys know the whole shebang. And the terms and conditions. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Just put all of this to the side. Now right here we have a quick little piece of paper. It says Samsung, nothing really important there. All right, now right here we have a super fast charging power brick. And I believe this is 25 watts. Now, a cool thing to notice about this USB charger right here is that there is no more USB. Now it's actually a Type-C connection. So Type-C to Type-C, based on the type of port we have on the phone itself. Now right here we have a little case based on the design. It looks like we're gonna have an adapter plus the S Pen tool. Let's see here. Yeah, so right here we have the adapter. This lets you transfer data over from the previous phone to the new one. We have that there. Let's see where the little S Pen tool is. Here we go. Okay, boom, there we go. So this lets you go ahead and remove the tip of the S Pen and lets you replace it with one of these that you have in here. Super handy. Never actually used it. Okay. Let's see what we have here. All right. So here we have the actual charging cable, as I mentioned before, due to the brick itself being a Type-C. The cable is gonna be Type-C to Type-C. All right, we have that there. Here we have the pair of headphones that come with the phone itself. AKG brand, as in previous models. Now these are, yeah, in-ear headphones. And here we have some in-ear buds that lets you replace them, different sizes, depending on the type of ear you have. And something to notice here is that these headphones are now Type-C headphones. No more audio jack, as in the Note 10 Plus. They went ahead and they removed the audio jack completely. So now it's only Bluetooth or Type-C. Okay, now onto the phone itself actually. So compared to the Note 9, which I actually have right here, let's bring it here for a side-by-side comparison. Now they're both actually about the same height, as you guys can tell here, and same width. Now the Note 9 feels a bit heavier. Again, they both have, I believe, the same dimensions. However, the Note 10 Plus has a 6.8 screen to body ratio. This is due to it being pretty much bezel-less, as you guys can see here, except for it having the punch out for the camera. So you guys can see there. Unlike the Note 9, let me go ahead and unlock this really quick. Here we have the bezels. This is pretty much all screen. Now here we have the SD card tray, as well as the expandable memory. Here we have a mic, the punch out camera right here. No power button on the right side of the screen. It seems that now they went ahead and they moved over the power button from the right side to the left side, and they connected it over with the Bixby button. So now the Bixby button has a dual function of Bixby and the power button. Here we have your volumes up and down. Now in the bottom, we have a mic, the USB Type-C, speakers, and the S Pen. Again, no audio jack on this phone, completely gone. And this is the main reason for getting a Note, the stylus. Again, this is an aura white color, so the S Pen itself comes out to be white. Well, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section what you like or don't like about the Note 10 Plus. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Plus, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching.